Three.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, a pleasant good evening to one and all. This is P. Akshaya. I am pursuing ninth grade at Lokshi Tutorial. Today I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say the complete seminar regarding the challenges improving in agricultural products. Let's go to the seminar. Yes. Before going to the seminar, I would like to ask a simple question to you. The question what means, do you know if a family have 4 members of person, the family will eat for how many kgs per month? Yes, of course, 60 kgs they will eat for month and 600,000 kgs for years. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The topic name is rate of growth in food production. I will show the table. See, this is the table of food production. In decades 1961 to 1971, population growth is 2.4 and food production is 2.83 and ratio is 1.18. And 1971 to 1981, 2.23% and 1.8, 0.8%. Are you understand this table? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. Before going to the topic, I'll show the picture of paddy. See, this is the picture of paddy. The topic name is how to produce the increase and food production. Do you know how many properties there is increase to food production? Yes, there is a 4. They are increasing the area cultivated land and mixed crop, alternating cropping and alternating crops are weeds. Do you know the transportation? I'll show the picture of transportation. See, this is the picture of transportation. If we will pour 100 ml of water into the plant, that plant will take 500 ml only. That 500 ml water that will take stomata. Next, improving yield crops. Nowadays, the coming hybrid in quality and local varieties in market. Shall I show the picture of local varieties of Jowar and hybrid Jowar? Yes. See, this is the hybrid variety of Jowar and this is a local variety of Jowar. There is a color change between two of them products. Next our topic is stomata take how much percentage of water. If you take and plant and pour 100 ml of water, in that we will take 500 ml of water. After that 500 ml water, that will take stomata. I'll show the picture of stomata closed and open. This is the stomata in the leaf. The stomata was open and the stomata was closed. In this, if stomata is opened means the 500 ml of water into goes that and evaporates into the air. If the closed means the evaporation does not exist in the closed stomata. Next, nutrition in the soil. Nowadays, coming hybrid of pesticides and insecticides and area of high yield of crops. Next, are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. The next topic is irrigation. Nowadays, they are investing in new types of irrigation. There is a 2 types of irrigation, drip irrigation and sprinkler irrigation. Drip irrigation is nothing but keep tap in a field and pour like a gardener and it is known as the drip irrigation. I'll show the picture of graph. See, this is the picture of graph. Sufficient blue color means sufficient supply of water Red color means less supply of water. Next, sprinkler. Sprinkler is nothing but it is also moves like an human being to one place to another place. It is known as the sprinkler system. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. I will show the picture of graph too. See, this is the relationship between water and crop yields. In this January, there is a low crop, 100 m. In this, we have May and June, July. These 3 months are may helpful to humans because there will come an high yield for farmers. At is a 0.1% is preserved to 1% of and 1 inch is growth for high yields and crops. Let's move to another topic. Yes, I'll share the picture regarding to the topic. This is the topic. This is a red gram in haldi and this is the cabbage in groundnut. If these two crops are mixed, it is very common and these nutrients will go to that plant and that plant nutrition comes to this plant. And that is very useful to human beings to increase the nutrients and it is helpful to animals which we eat as plants. And it is come as high yield because there is a 2 crops in 1 crop. Next, our topic is showing the picture and sprinkler system. I'll show the picture and table. See, this is the table of sprinkle system and nutrients. I told no red gram in haldi like that only nutrition. In nitrogen there is a new leaves and flowers. And this phosphorus helps to root perennials like carrot and beetroot. And last one is potassium and resistance towards pests and it is helpful to insects. And it is known as the crop rotation. Crop rotation is nothing but when it is according to the seasons. When come as winter, we will crop paddy crop and when it is summer, we will grow that mango crops. It is known as the crop rotation. Let's move to another topic. Yes, before going to the topic, I will show the picture regarding to the topic. This is the betel leaf. Betel leaf is nothing but said in Telugu Tamalapaku. And it will be a long women's. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Let's move to another topic. I will show the pictures regarding to that topic. Root nodules. These are the underground of the soil. It are the roots which have under the soil. With the help of roots, we will eating the carrot and beetroot. With the help of roots only, the onion is also coming. The underground of the soil will grow onion. Are you understand this topic? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Shall I show the picture of next topic? Yes. Green manure crop. This is the Kalti. Our topic is green manure. I'll show the table of lobia and beans that we have food grain products. See, this is the picture of name of the crop and nitrogen per ton. Lobia beans 7.1, daincha 6.2, green gram 7.2, sunheap 7.5, horse gram 8.5. Next our topic is soil testing. Soil testing. Nowadays the officers checking the soil and producing the crops. Because if soil is present in weeds, it will come as low yield and it not very good to the farmers. And there is a low cost of farmers. If the soil is very clean and very fertile of farmers, they will grow the crops in yield and they will come high yield for tons or hectare. Shall I show the picture of next topic? Yes. This is the picture of vermicompost. Have you listened about soil erosion? Like this only, this is the vermicompost. Vermicompost is nothing but when the earthworms is, do you know why the earthworms are friends of farmers? Because they will enter into the soil and they will move as fertility to grow the high yield in the crops. And it is give more incomes to farmers. It is known as that of topic that is known as high yield and vermicompost. Shall I show the picture of vermicompost beds? Yes. This is the picture of vermicompost beds. Next our topic is Panchagavya. Panchagavya is nothing but take all cow products like cow ghee and cow milk, keep it for 4 days and observe 5th day, add into that ghee, curd and banana paste, add kallu, coconut water, sugarcane of juice. Then observe what would be happen. Now I'll show a picture regarding to cow products. Yes. See, this is the products. This is the cow produce cow dung, cow milk, cow paste and cow urine and cow dung paste. It is helpful to Panchagavya. Now I'll show the table of biofertilizers. Yes. See, these are the biofertilizers. There is a 3 types: bacteria, fungi, algae, nitrogen, phosphorus, fixer. Example as blue-green algae. Fungi, examples phosphorus and mitochondria, penicillin. Next our topic is biofertilizers. Nowadays the farmers are most using the biofertilizers in buckets and they will grow the high yields of crop and more incomes to the farmers. Shall I show the picture of biofertilizers? Yes. See, this is the picture of biofertilizers. It is a main product to farmers because if there is the product stored into the crop, it may give more incomes to farmers and high yields to farmers, and they give most nutrition to human beings. And we will eat different types of nutrition food because of that types of biofertilizers. With the help of biofertilizers, now we are staying very healthy. Now, can I show the diseases in plants? Yes. See, this is the picture of diseases plants. The bird was eating the plants, and if the bird have diseases like diseases mitochondria and heteromitophia, that will go to leaf and the plant also will die, and it is known as the diseases in plants. Next our topic is percentage in nutrition fields. Shall I show the picture of table and that? Yes. This is the picture of urea fertilizers. Urea, sulfoxide, ammonium sulfide and potassium nitrate. These are the percentage of nitrogen: 46%, 0%, 21%, 13%. Can I show the picture of graph that determines the low yields to high yields? See, this is the graph. Amount of nitrogen applied to that. IR means nothing but irrigation. It is a picture. If blue color means supply of water more, in red color means less supply of water per hectare. Next, our topic is weeds. Do you know weeds? Weeds is nothing but it is a waste plant. If you mix a crop, if the plant of weed is present in the mixed crop, the healthy plant also may cause diseases. because the weeds also causes diseases and that enters into that nutrition and they will spoil of the healthy plants also. Shall I show the picture next? Pollination. This is the picture of pollination. Pollination of bee, of butterfly by human beings. By human beings is nothing but with the help of hands we'll take another plant and that were presented into male gametes into female gametes that also be presented in reproductions of human beings. See this, if I kept after one like this, the male gametes are enter into that female gametes. Then it will form as new flower and new fruit. Next, our topic is tomato. Have you seen tomato? Now I'll show the picture of tomato. Tomato is also nothing but a type of tomato, but it is not tomato. This is the picture of tomato. This type of tomato, but it is not tomato. We can eat also. It is very healthy to human beings. Next, our topic is Akshara Palakulu. I will show the pictures of that insects. These are the insects that biologically, this was, grasshopper. It is helpful eat than the grasshopper. This is known as the Akshar Palakulu. Next, after red gram, cultivating more in this with the help of this type of insects only, we are getting more yields. With the help of earthworms and this type of insects, we are getting more yields to farmers and fertility of soil. Are you understand my seminar? Yes, I hope you are all understood. Thanks for spending your valuable time for watching my video.